Hello everybody, my name is Philip Datter, and today we are going to be playing this very popular Roblox game called Animal Hospital. This got pretty popular, and you probably see I've already done 3 shifts, but that was because I was filming this earlier and my father accidentally caused a power outage. Making sure the microphone's right, because last time I accidentally pulled the headphone cords a bit too much and it caused a weird distortion, so I hope this should work now. Working, so... Did that guy just die? Oh, never mind. Okay, so it takes place in like a world where it's all inhabited by these humanoid animals, so it's kind of like Happy Friends in that way. Did that guy just shoot me? Okay, you gotta explain, dude. Damn, what is your problem, my G? Okay, so I don't even get to be in that room now because we're gonna get shot. Okay, have a seat. What is your name? Pinecone? Who the fuck names their kids Pinecone? I'll probably do you first and then I'll have to tell that guy off for shooting. Let's see, we got eye drops. I mean, this game is easy. So there's our doctor guy. Yeah. I have to repeat everything I've said in the earlier recordings because, well, you know. Like seriously, I just want to finish a recording and not have something bad happen, like a power outage or my microphone being weird. But I don't even get that privilege. Okay, finally got myself a proper crew. Better not see you guys losing because I should probably wish for a new microphone sometime soon. He or she gets to be in the room, but when I'm in it... Look, they're literally going to be getting the best thingy all the time now because, well... Did he just die? Yeah, you're supposed to use the shutters like that. Well, at least he's gone now. Fucking alien Cosmo. Fucking bitch. Oh, you don't look normal. Oh well, should I ever judge someone for the way they look? Shutters. No service, my bro. No service for you, so what's your name? Haruki. Yeah, aforementioned. Ah, God, why do these animals walk so slow? And also about their facial features, like... Oh, come on. It's every time I play this game that I'll literally end up being the only guy left. Everyone just leaves. It is every time I play this damn game. I'm usually always the last one surviving. Here we go. Someone puked. Okay, so we need... Here we go. Easy, easy. After this shift, I'm just gonna join a server where I can at least get some people. Because everyone just left on the first shift. How the fuck? Huh. What do I do? What do I do? Ah, I have to extinguish candles. Okay, I gotta be quick. Ooh, that was close. Oh wait, there's someone else I have to treat. What did you need? Cough syrup. There we go.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
I feel like an absolute genius right now. I can just use Audacity, so therefore I get a bit of a more high quality voice recording and not so much distortion. Why would I be a genius? I know other people who do it. Yeah, I know, but what's your name? I'm also starting to realize that many of these animals, they look pretty depressed. Like, is this some sort of purgatory this game takes place in? God, I can't speak. They talk about some myths? Oh, hell no. Well, I literally saw someone do a ritual last time, so... yeah, you guys can do that. I'm gonna go back to the register. I wanna be a good doctor for this one, okay? Lewis Fox, go take your stuff. I'll be in the room with my friend's favorite number, 2. I prefer green 2 over the yellow 2. Green 2 is just much more cuter, you know? He's a lot more silly, and he deserves better. How do I treat this patient, or do I constantly talk about green 2? It's up to me. This is my patient, so be patient with that. Okay, things are going good. Look. Oh, we also skipped the doctor dialogue. Yeah, I never liked him. He was not as good as Harley Sawyer. He's the much better doctor. Trust me, bro. Finger bomb. You. Oh gosh, this game. Okay, finally someone who looks normal. No, don't do the shutters. We need to talk to this guy. Dustin. Never mind, they're spazzing. Are you sure? I wouldn't recommend shutters. Oh god. You know what, I'm gonna let them fuck around and find out. I'm gonna go on Instagram, check out some Teletubbies reels. Oh, they actually listened. Oh, never mind. You know what? Fine. I'll also... oh, you're playing around. Okay, finally. That was quick. Okay, you look normal. Like, damn, none of these are smiling. Aforementioned again. Why do I obsess with such a number? All from a web show where said number is depicted as this cute snake. Bibbly cheese, what is with me? We do... what's it called? When you like give you the patient something so that they don't feel pain. Like, why are we not giving it to them? We're just stabbing them and they just say ouch. Fever and flu. Okay. What the fuck? You just killed my patient. Okay, you better not screw this one up. You know, if 3 strikes you're... oh wait, are you trying to get us to lose on purpose? Because in that case, then you're the one to blame for it. Okay, let's see. Canadian. So apparently being Canadian is now a disease. Here we go. Hope you feel better soon. Yeah, I'm gonna just steal coffee. It's someone who doesn't look right. Oh, never mind. Hold on. You can have some of my coffee. Stop banging your head on the window. I'm starting to like this game. It's kind of fun. You get to save animals. You get to find anomalies. You know, all that fun stuff. You know. This ain't bad. Much better. These guys, they're just sitting here. They're not doing anything. Oh my god, again? Pardon me, I'm just going to... Oh my god. Well, you better also help me out on this. Seriously, can you guys stop doing rituals in our rooms? This ain't the right place. Okay, finally the store's open. Also, okay, so I die if I lose all my sanity. Poor... I blame it on that one guy who killed one of my patients. Okay. Room 5. Hold on. Oh wait, room 4. Why do you faint? Oh, thank God. I definitely need some. What the hell? Why is there a monster under the bed? Oh my god. I really just wasted all that time for coffee just to get touched. Just to have my feet touched. Hope you feel better. I don't know what the hell was on about that guy under your bed. Or why they're there to begin with. No, we do not drink coffee. No, don't you see? We're not getting coffee anytime soon. We gotta have to keep it closed. He's only there for coffee, bro. I'm starting to lose it, literally. Uh-oh. Pumpkin Robin. Yeah, I know. Room 5. Please don't let there be any monsters under the bed. Oh my god. How do I not get trapped by monster? Can I just get the other guy to do it? It's Ron again. Sup, Ron? Yeah, Ron! If I had a nickel for every time I met a blue guy named Ron in a horror game, I would have 2 nickels. Which isn't a lot, but it's weird that it happened twice. Exactly how do I take care of the monster in bed situation? Ah, okay, I see. Yeah, watch out for the monster under the bed, my G. You do not want to go in there. Okay, hopefully you're not doing anything to my boy Ron. I swear to God, if you kill Ron, I'm gonna be heard something. How's it going? Yeah, you're welcome, buddy. I'm not falling for it, okay? I'm not falling for it. Do you understand? Look. I'm so good at this game. Still, poor hospital performance because of that one motherfucker. Okay, what's up, bro? Oh wait. There we go. Ah, thank God you're alive, Ron. Peanut feathers. What are these names? You're giving me a tickly nose. I'm cooking so hard. Okay, we gotta take care of our patients. Oh. Why is there a skinwalker? I don't have any other choice. Don't mind them. They're just having fun. Nothing too bad. Let me get that cleaned up. Is it just... I don't know where he is. Seriously, someone just ate one of our patients, okay? Like... How do we prevent it? Oh yeah, that would... 1,000? Reroll. No, thank you. But can you stop shitting or... what was the word again? Puking. It's disgusting. Okay, how many patients do we have to take care of now? You better not do something stupid, okay? I'm here for your guys' health, not for bullshit. Yeah, this game is addictive. Are you kidding? Again? How do I get rid of these? Oh no. The ambulanca is coming. I didn't know we were gonna meet again. What the hell bullshit? He gets to no clip through the door. How do I fix this? No. Critical patient rooms. Ain't nobody got time for that. Goodness. Gotta be quick with this one. Like absolute lock the fuck in. And there's one in room 6. Ah, we ain't gonna make it. We're gonna have to kill that guy off. Resistance require ointment. Shit. I ain't gonna make it. Okay. Ah, he's gonna die. But holy shit, everyone is sick. Yeah, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it.